Which of these is a protozoan parasite that can form microscopic cysts in muscle and is a major concern for pregnant women? Fistula hepatica, Cysticercus bovis, Sarcocystis, Toxoplasma gondii. And the correct answer is option D, that is Toxoplasma gondii. During proper slaughter, what is the average blood yield and bleeding time observed in sheep or goats? 0.5 to 1 kg in 3 to 4 minutes, 1 to 1.5 kg in 5-6 minutes, 2 to 3 kg in 6 to 8 minutes, 3 to 4 kg in 8 to 10 minutes. And the correct answer is option B, that is 1 to 1.5 kg in 5 to 6 minutes. In Jewish or Shechita and Muslim or halal methods of slaughter, which major blood vessels are severed to ensure rapid and complete bleeding? Trachea and esophagus, femoral artery and vein, aorta and vena cava, jugular veins and carotid arteries. And the correct answer is option D, that is jugular veins and carotid arteries. The term veal refers to the meat obtained from which of the following animals? Deer and antelope, lamb, calf, none of the above. And the correct answer is option C, that is calf. In meat science, intramuscular fat is referred to as marbling. What is the correct term used for intermuscular fat present between muscle groups? Seam fat, lard, tallow, none of the above. And the correct answer is option A, that is seam fat. Which lymph node is commonly referred to as the inspector's lymph node during postmortem examination of carcasses? Prefectoral, popliteal, bronchial, prescapular. And the correct answer is option B, that is popliteal. In poultry processing, the edible viscera consisting of gizzard, liver, and heart together are collectively known as bung, plug, giblet, offal. And the correct answer is option C, that is giblet. Buffalo meat is commonly referred to by which of the following terms in meat science and trade? Buffin, Cara beef, both A and B are correct, none of the above. Correct answer is option C, that is both A and B. The term plug refers to lungs, trachea and heart, liver and kidneys, intestines and stomach, head and tongue. And the correct answer is option A, that is lungs, trachea and heart. Meat is considered a good dietary source of most essential minerals. Which of the following minerals is relatively low in meat? Iron, magnesium, calcium, both B and C. And the correct answer is option C, that is calcium. The protein content of chicken egg is about 13%. What is the approximate protein content of chicken meat? 10 to 12%, 13 to 15%, 18 to 20%, 25 to 30%. And the correct answer is option C, that is 18 to 20%. DFD, or dark, firm, dry meat, is caused due to rapid postmortem glycolysis, high muscle glycogen, low ultimate pH, stress before slaughter. And the correct answer is option D, that is stress before slaughter. PSC, or pale, soft, exudative meat, is associated with low muscle temperature, slow glycolysis, rapid postmortem glycolysis, high ultimate pH. And the correct answer is option C, that is rapid postmortem glycolysis. Which condition causes greenish discoloration of meat? Sulfmyoglobin, metmyoglobin, oxymyoglobin, carboxymyoglobin. And the correct answer is option A, that is sulfmyoglobin. In meat science terminology, ruffle fat refers to the fat deposited around which anatomical region of the animal body? Kidney, mesentery, thoracic cavity, rectum. And the correct answer is option D, that is rectum. The fat obtained from cattle is commonly referred to by which of the following terms in meat science? Lard, tallow, caul fat, both A and B. And the correct answer is option B, that is tallow. Which type of radiation is most commonly used for surface sterilization of meat and meat products? Alpha rays, gamma rays, beta rays, ultraviolet rays. And the correct answer is option D, that is ultraviolet rays. The rupture of muscle fibers and tissues caused by the formation of large ice crystals during freezing of meat is commonly referred to as weeping of meat, sweating, shrinkage, curing. And the correct answer is option A, that is weeping of meat. Under proper processing and storage at ambient temperature, canned meat products generally have a minimum shelf life of at least 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. And the correct answer is option B, that is 2 years. The World Organization for Animal Health (OIE), an intergovernmental body responsible for coordinating and promoting animal disease control worldwide, was established in which year? 1990, 1946, 1924, 1995. And the correct answer is option C, that is 1924. Which of the following international organizations have their headquarters located in Geneva, Switzerland? World Trade Organization or WTO, World Health Organization or WHO, International Organization for Standardization or ISO, all of the above. And the correct answer is option D, that is all of the above. The headquarters of the Office International des Epizoutes (OIE), now known as the World Organization for Animal Health, is located at Geneva, Rome, Vienna, Paris. And the correct answer is option D, that is Paris. Among the different spillage defects observed in canned meat products, which is considered the most important type of chemical spillage? Hydrogen swell, flat sore, flipper, Springer. And the correct answer is option B, that is flat sore. Which lymph nodes are routinely incised during the inspection of a beef head to check for diseases like tuberculosis or actinobacillosis? Hepatic and mesenteric, popliteal and ischiatic, prescapular and axillary, mandibular, parotid, and retropharyngeal. And the correct answer is option D, that is mandibular, parotid, and retropharyngeal. A beef carcass showing icterus or jaundice during post-mortem inspection is characterized by a yellowish discoloration. What is the standard regulatory action if the discoloration is systemic and caused by disease? Pass for human consumption after trimming the fat, condemn the entire carcass, freezing the carcass for 10 days, pass for cooking only. And the correct answer is option B, that is condemn the entire carcass.